Not yet. Rest and rest. Go. Can you say the letters? What letter is this?
G.
And 1, 2.
G.
1, 2.
G.
Left hand. Yes. 1. Next, together. I mean G first and then together. Continue. Left hand. Go. C. G. Rest. Together. Rest. Left hand again. Rest. Sorry. Rest. Then rest. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Go. And left hand. G. G. Can you say it again from here? No, Levi, you have to say the letters. Number 3, finger 3. One more time. Go. Then left hand. Rest. Together. Perfect. Out.